I have tested over 100 get paid to sites, and today I'm putting Earnably to the test again with a live $100 cash out right in front of you. In case you don't know, my name is Michael and I've tested hundreds of different ways to make money online. And today we're taking a closer look at the get paid to site Earnably, and I will show you exactly how you can earn on it, how fast the payout really is, because I will cash out $100 here while recording. And then we'll take a look at how it stacks up against the many other get paid to sites that I have reviewed. So you get to see both the pros, the cons, and whether it's actually worth your time, all based on my real experiences and not hype. So let's now dive in. So first of all, I just want to go over who can join, and Earnably is a get paid to site, of course, completely free to sign up for and to use, and you can join it from basically all countries. It used to be limited to quite a few countries, but it has since opened up, so you can join from all countries. You can sign up, as you can see, with Google, Facebook, or with PayPal, or if you signed up before it had a big update quite a while ago, then you can sign in with this magic link. But let me now log in, and then we'll take a closer look at how you can earn. So I have now logged into Earnably, and you can very easily get an overview. You can see the offers, and that's these paid offers. If you use get paid to sites before, that means you can come here. There can be games you can play, there can be free trials you can sign up for, apps you can download, different things like this. You can easily sort it depending on your device. Always make sure to click it. You can see exactly what the requirements are to then earn the different rewards you can get, and we'll go over later what these points are then actually worth, because that's of course important to know to find the offers worth it for you. But it does have quite big number of different offers you can participate in. You can find them through the offer section there. You can also go to the explore section, where you will then find the specific offer walls, and each of these offer walls then have quite a lot of different paid offers also. So that's the ways you can find the paid offers. Some of these offer walls will also have paid surveys, but it also does have a section specifically with paid surveys. And again, you can see an estimate for the surveys. It is fairly accurate. The rewards, I would say, again, we'll go over the value of the points a little bit later. They are around average compared to other get paid to sites. In many cases, it's maybe a little bit above average because there are so many different get paid to sites. And this is definitely, I would say, for me, overall, when it comes to the rewards, a little bit above the average. So it is, let me just reveal that right away, a platform that I definitely think that has some good things, not only good things. We'll go over all that. Definitely a decent amount of surveys. You will of course not qualify for all of them. That's how it is with all paid service sites, and how many surveys you get access to also will of course vary depending on the country you live in. It also has one more way to earn here with the videos, where you can click here. You then need to log in to another of these video platforms there. Then you will earn when you see ads in those videos. If there's no ads, you will not earn, because there will not be ads in all countries. And I just want to make it clear that yes, it can be a fun way to earn, but out of all the ways to earn here on Earnably, watching videos is one of the least effective. It takes a lot of patience. You will not earn a lot. So I would say only use this option if you actually like watching videos on these different platforms anyways, because then it can be a fun way to earn a bit extra, but it definitely does take patience. So as an earning method, very ineffective. But let's now then look at how you can withdraw. So I can show you live that I withdraw, because as you can see on the front page, it says 1,000+ instant rewards. So it does say that it pays instantly. So let us now then put that to the test. I will withdraw and we'll see how fast I get paid. So I have now jumped to the redeem section, and the exact payout options will vary depending on your country. I do like that it has started introducing so many different gift cards that are specific for the different countries, because it didn't used to have that. So that's definitely user friendly. And it also offers PayPal. So it starts already also at $1, so a very low payout threshold. One thing I think is a little bit confusing that I do not really like is this, that 10,000 points is then $1. So it can be a little bit hard, because then when you see a survey, for example, that you see that you get 6,000 points and think, oh, that's very high paying, but how much is it? So that would be equivalent of around 60 cents. So still okay, but it can be a little bit overwhelming to calculate like that. So you just need to keep that in mind. Once you know, it's fairly easy to figure out. But in this video here, I will redeem PayPal money. You can see the maximum amount here would then be that I can withdraw is $100. That is the equivalent of 1,000,000 points, and you can see I actually do have that, so I can redeem. So I'll just click here to redeem, and again it just says are you sure you want to do this, and I click to redeem, and that is basically it. Now I just have to wait to show up. So be aware that you don't choose the email address it pays out to. It does it automatically to the email you register with. So make sure you register with your PayPal email address or the email address you use, or make sure that you connect the email address you used to sign up with to your PayPal, because on PayPal you can actually add different emails addresses, so you have several email addresses attached to your PayPal account. So just be aware of this. And while I was talking there, I got an email from Earnably saying that the reward is on its way. So it says that it can take usually less than 24 hours, but can take up to a week in some cases. So a little bit confusing on the homepage that it says instant rewards, because usually then it would be a little bit faster, but in some cases it can also be faster. In my experience, it actually used to pay more or less immediately when you redeemed. And I have also, again, spoken to others and tested myself, and for some rewards I have also found that it can take several days in some cases. In some cases I also had some issues where it just didn't happen, but then I reached out to support, and I must say the support is fairly good at then getting back to you. But now here I will just also then leave a screenshot when the email comes from PayPal, and then you can see that it actually does pay, and then there I will also write exactly how long it took. So as you can see, Earnably does pay. I have been a member of it for years and never had issues with getting paid, but that doesn't mean that it's all pros and great things it has. Personally, I think it has both pros and cons. I really like its payout options and its very low payout threshold, and the support is also quite good in my experience. I do think that this claim on the website that it's instant rewards, well, in most cases that's not really the case. That's just one thing to be aware of, but still it does process the payouts fairly quickly compared to many other get paid to sites. And I do think it is user friendly. I would say overall it's not one of my absolute favorites, but I actually do like it, and it is definitely in the upper half of get paid to site that I have tested. And whether it's then the right opportunity for you or not really depends on your personal preferences. Now I at least have shown you exactly how it works, and I have also shown you that it actually does pay, and then you can decide for yourself. If you want to check it out, I will leave a link, a joining link below, so you can go and sign up immediately. That will also support my channel. It's my invitation link, and I would definitely appreciate that support. If you want to check it out, more about Earnably in writing, I also do have a written review, so I'll leave a link to that below. And if you just want to see a list of my absolute top recommended get paid to sites, I also do have a list of that on my website, and will leave a link to that below, so you can go and check that out. And if this video helped you, also please make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.